Hi, good morning. I just wanted to show you what it's in the packet. So I want you to focus today. We're going to focus on just math. Okay, so this is the math instructions that you should have. It has week 1, week 2, week 3. Okay, so we're going to start only with math today. These are the handouts for math. We have one that starts with 1.8 standard form and the problem solving. Okay, these are the two packets that we need right now. Okay, so you're going to start working on the first page, expanded form. Phoenix, you should know this, like when we have the base 10 blocks, this represents 100, a 10 Roth represents a 10, and the little dots represent the ones. Okay, it says to model the problem, draw to show your work. Okay, it's different forms that we can write numbers. Okay, so it says, how can you write 112 in expanded form? Remember, the expanded form is the long way. Okay, so in expanded form, in 112 is the number. So I have 1 in the hundreds, so I can write it like this. 1 in the tens, and 2 in the ones. That's one way to represent. Let me grab another pen. See. Another way to do it is with the base 10 blocks. Okay, 100 is a square. A 10 is one stick. And the ones, 1, 2. That's 112. Okay. The next page. 115 is a 3-digit number. The 1 in the 115 it means 100. The 1 in the 115 means 110. The 5 in the 115 means 5 ones. Again, they're representing with base 10 blocks. So I have here only one block, that's 100, 110, and 5 ones. Okay, and 5 ones. Now the value is different. The value is 100. The value of 110 is 10. The value of 5 ones is just 5. Okay, so we have the number 115. 3 different ways to represent the same number. Okay, you can always use your place value chart. The place value chart where you have hundreds, tens, and ones. The number is 115. Okay, I'm going to write it down. 115. That will help you to see, okay, I have 100, I have 110, and I have 5 ones. Now the values are 100, 10, and 5. The regular number is 115. Okay, that's the way that you're going to work on this page. Here I did some examples. Again, you can use your base 10 blocks and separate them by hundreds, tens, and ones. Different ways to represent the numbers. Okay? That's for expanded form. The next page, it's Tyler counts blocks. There are 10 tens and 4 ones. Remember, if I have 10 tens, 10 of these sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, we skip count by tens. So I have 10 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 tens is 100. Okay, so I know I have 100. And then, and 4 ones. Oh, 100 and 4 ones. So 100 plus 4 is 104. Okay. I would suggest that you just complete that part, so it's until page 58. Okay, until page 58. I will keep recording more to help you with this.